BigCommerce Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. BigCommerce Enterprise App is a robust BigCommerce platform tailored for large-scale merchants and enterprise businesses. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just for mid-sized online stores. It's designed to handle complex catalogs, high traffic, and multi-channel selling. On the pro side, BigCommerce Enterprise offers advanced security, unlimited products and bandwidth, and extensive APIs for custom integrations. It supports multi-store management, API features, and large-scale product catalogs. Built-in SEO and marketing tools help drive traffic and conversions, while support and dedicated account management assist enterprises in scaling efficiently. On the cons side, pricing is high, reflecting its enterprise focus. Some users find the theme customization options less flexible compared to platforms like Shopify or Webflow. Implementation and integration can require technical expertise, adding to setup costs. In conclusion, BigCommerce Enterprise App is ideal for businesses with large product catalogs and complex e-commerce needs. While cost and technical requirements are considerable, its scalability, security, and enterprise features make it a strong platform for growing global e-commerce operations.